Good afternoon, everybody. It's Steve here at Don Amott Leisure and here on the showground at Hilton. Very rainy, so let's hurry up and get the outside done at least. So I'm going to take you round a Rollerteam Autoroller 746 that we've had in stock. It is a 2021 model based on the 2.3 automatic 140 brake horsepower Fiat chassis, and it is a 6-berth 6-belt model, so it's really cool for a larger family. It's 7.47 meters long and is also 3.5 ton, so it can be driven on a standard driving license. So let's have a walk around the outside and then we'll head on in a minute. So we do have the Fiat alloy wheels. It is a Euro 6 engine because you've got your AdBlue just there as well, and then you've got your LPG tank in there. We'll go inside, as I said, shortly. Moving round, you've got a dual-sided garage, so you can access the garage from both sides, and it does go all the way through, and there are your infills for your front bed. Round to the rear, we've got a reversing camera, and then fitments for a bike rack. And then on the driver's side, as I said, it is dual opening or dual sided, so you can get into the garage from that side as well. Toilet cassette is just there, and then your water in as well, just there, and then a little bit more storage underneath. So we'll run round. This has got the Truma heating system as well, and we'll head on in, and I'm sure you'll be pretty wowed and excited by how nice the interior looks. So there's no habitation step because it is just a walk-in job, and there is a C-rail for an awning that just attaches there with your awning light just above. So heading on in, and we'll start at the front. So we'll let Trini go in first. So you've got your overcab bed, which will seat or sleep 2 people, and the ladder for access down into the front. And you've got USB points, cruise control, speed limit control, climate control, the Zenit speaker stereo system as well, where your reversing camera will sit. Twin swiveling seats, so these leather seats will spin round, and the upholstery is absolutely stunning. Further round, this is your lounge area, which again will turn into a bed, and there are your seat belts for that as well, and then this table will drop down to the lower connections to be the base of your bed. Quite a decent amount of overcab storage or overside storage there, and then drawers on this side that can be utilised for the bedroom if you wanted to. One of my favourite things that I've just found out is if I lift this, it's got the television built in, so you've got your Avtex TV all built into there. So when you're sitting down, you've got easy access to the television. Loads more overhead lockers just there as well. Into your kitchen, and you've got a 3 gas hob. Here is your fridge. I thought it was going to be a dishwasher then. I got all excited. And then your oven there, which is a combination oven and grill. And your sink unit, stuff to put like, you know, kitchen towel and things like that on. And then more room over the top just here. Solar charging controller, so it does have a solar panel, and you just get a real sense of height as well, because obviously it's quite tall with having the you know, the high line at the front. Through there is your toilet and shower, so it is a shower / washroom, and you can take that duckboard out at the bottom for your shower if you wanted to, and then your toilet at the other side, so it is separate, which is always a nice thing. And then close that and head further to the back, and then you've also got the rear lounge, which will turn into a large bed as well. The rear lounge has a TV also, so as long as they both work when it's PDI'd, they will be left in the van. And then more overhead lockers for storage, skylights, and they've even got this nice finish that goes around the skylights as well. But it's just a really big space, a really nice interior, a nice place to sit and, you know, lounge and dine and do whatever you want to do. Game of cards if the weather's like it is now. Monopoly, so you can start the fighting. Decent sized wardrobe in there, and there's more infills as well, and that is your table, which is a freestanding table. And then underneath, more drawers, so that's your cutlery drawer, nice and situated next to your sink, and it has got soft closing as well. and same again, loads of space under there. So I'm sure you'll agree that it's a really, really nice airy feel. You know, it's nice light wood with this nice sort of cream gloss finish interior, and it does make it look bright and spacious, especially here and here. You've got loads of room and loads of space. So this will be on our showground today. It is raining, but don't let that put you off. If you do want to come down and have a look inside it, pick up the phone and give us a ring first to make sure it's still available, and don't forget to ask for Steve, because I'd love to help and love to look you out, show you around it. Thanks for watching, and take care, and we hope to see you soon.